Hi, good afternoon. My name is Luis Rosado, and today we're going to be talking about monitoring the brand for Cape Ann Brewing Company. First of all, we're going to start first off describing who is Cape Ann Brewing Companies, and by doing that, we're going to divide each section in a couple of different bullets. First, we're going to start with Cape Ann Brewing Company's business model, the mission, vision, critical success factors, culture and values, customers, competitors, and business environment, and who are our stakeholders. So first, let's start with Cape Ann Brewing Company's business model. So basically, the business model for Cape Ann Brewing Company is a B2C business model. The primary transactions that the company uses to process are brick and mortar. Since the company is a small business located in the North Shore of Boston, Massachusetts, the main product of the company is beer brewing and seafood. Also, the company basically the market is mainly terrestrial. However, the company does offer some digital transactions when it comes to their gift card options. However, most of the traffic comes organically through the store. And the reason why I chose Cape Ann Brewing Company as my main company for the class, it is because I am a huge fan of the company's product, and I would like for the company to succeed, and hopefully in the future I can be part and a stakeholder for the company as well. So the mission, vision, and critical success factor for the company. Basically, this is the mission statement taken from the company's website. Basically, we see right here that the company is very small town oriented and very community oriented. Basically, the company's main product is to satisfy the local community as well as the external consumers that come through, for example, tourism and such. Our customers, competitors, and business environment, as we stated before. The majority of Cape Ann Brewing Company's customers come from the community. As say, Gloucester, Massachusetts is just a small town that the majority of the consumers come from within the town. However, Gloucester, Massachusetts, being such a tourist attraction, a lot of also of the customer base come from the tourist component. For our competitors, we have for the two main competitors that we have close to the company, we have Noct Brewing, which is located in Salem, Massachusetts, and Lord Hobo, which is located in Woburn, Massachusetts as well. This is basically two screenshots of both the competitors' main websites. And who are our stakeholders? Well, being such a small company, the stakeholders are basically our employees and mainly our customers. Basically, our customers, as stated before, come from the local community as well as tourists that come to visit the town. Now let's talk about a little bit the company's monitoring system. For this case, we're going to be using Fitly. Here's basically a basic screenshot of what we're going to be utilizing for Cape Ann Brewing Company monitoring system. Right here, as we can see on the left corner of the screen, we can see our beer influences, everything divided on folders, obviously. Our beer influences on the top, we have Beervana, blog post, we have the Beer Nest, Brew Dudes, as well as beer influences. For our beer news, we have American Homebrewers Association, Untapped, which is a huge brewers news that a lot of consumers utilize. Stouts and stilettos, the malt fermentationalist, and also down here at the bottom, besides that, we also have Cape Ann Brewing Company's own feed, and on the bottom right here, we have the competitors. We can't see them very well, but we have Noct Brewing Company, Far From the Tree, which is also from Salem, and we also have Noct. My apologies. We also have Lord Hobo from Woburn. So what is the outcome of having basically this monitoring? What have we gained from active monitoring? Well, in this case, we have gained some knowledge of what news are out there in the beer industry, what people are talking about, what people are saying, new trends, for example, in the beer brewing side of things, that we are able to get that information and put it in for our own benefit for Cape Ann Brewing Company as well. And how can we use that in the future? We can definitely use this information in the future to target a better audience, a more direct audience, that being said. And we can definitely use it to to see the social media mentions that have been done for the company as well for our competitors, and see how can we stay on top of this competition as well. Well, that is all for today. Thank you so much for tuning by, and thank you so much for being part of Cape Ann Brewing Companies.